Alright guys, this is my current eBay inventory setup, and I hate this. I want it to run from the ceiling down to the floor. Well, I'm gonna do something with these boxes, but at least to right here where those boxes start, I want that to all be media and empty game cases where I have full view of what I have, and I'm pretty sure we should be able to fit all that, hopefully, up there. We're gonna try it, so let's get into it. So the first thing I have to do is take all this stuff down, remove these old shelves, and then we will work on the new shelving. Alright guys, that's the first time I've seen this thing empty since I moved in. So this calendar, it's from 2018. It has not been taken down since, I never even finished using it. 2019 calendar, but it was May 2019. That was the last time this thing was actually used for a calendar, if that's what you want to call it, but I don't throw stuff away. Now I got to take all these down. You can see my little, these were listed a long time ago. Now all of them was listed. The only things that weren't was the game cases that were back here. That was just in case I ever found anything. You know what I may do? I might actually, because I think it's going to be longer on this side. It looks like it is. Than that way. And I may do the shelves on this wall facing here, and then like my garbage can and my speaker can go over here. So I believe that's what I'll do. All right, here's what we're left with. A blank wall, a blank canvas. That wire, I think it went to DirecTV or something. I don't know. I hadn't wanted to bother with taking it down, but I don't think it'll get in the way. Hopefully not. I'll get my 2x4s and start mounting them up. Alright, so for whatever reason, this ceiling's height is not 8 feet. It is 94 1/4. So I think I'm going to cut these to 94 so that we got enough room, because at the moment that's not going in there. Alright, we got the cable down. I got a nail from that calendar I got to take down, and then a staple. But other than that, these things are fitting good, and I'm so happy that I was able to do it by myself. Oh yeah guys, it's coming together. So this one was pretty easy. It just mounted up to the wall. This one I had to toenail in on each side, but I'm liking it so far. I think what I'll do is set my bins under it, and then that, like above that, see, I don't know how tall the bucket system needs to be. That's an issue. I may go from the top and work my way down with the pieces. I need to go cut some first. Alright, so here's what we got so far. I'm digging it. I kind of wished I would have done my DVD shelves this way. I like this setup. Or at least my VHS shelves. Like, this is way cheaper than the way that I did it. It may not look as fancy, but I guarantee that stuff's going to be easier to pull off the shelf than the way my VHS shelves are. It's kind of hard, but I'm digging it. Guys, I'm loving it so far. Look at that. It's just beautiful. It's out of the way. I love it. Alright guys, I'm done with what I can do for today. I ran out of 1x2s, but everything that's listed is on these shelves, plus the empty cases. But yeah, I'm happy with it. That's going to be so much easier for if something sells. I can just be like, okay, Crossroads sold. Right there it is. I don't have to move a bunch of stuff out of the way to see what's tucked in the corner. And you don't have this wall blocked. I don't know. What should I put right there? I think these bins, I'll probably add another shelf for more media right here, and then if I get, which I will, but hopefully this will sell as we get more to add to it. So that's one food for thought. But these, I'm thinking about over here building something similar to this, kinda, for these, using these 1x2s as rails to hold those on and those bins. And I feel like there would be so much extra space, even if I have to do like underneath this bench, which I don't entirely love. I would probably want to redo that, because when I'm doing stuff, I'd rather be standing than sitting, and if I want to be sitting, I'll just do it in the living room. So I'd like to raise that up and potentially maybe keep these drawers. I do like that system, but those are pretty crappy. But build me something underneath there to hold all my bins. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of my custom shelves.